bale bale. Doesn't take much to start a party here. Namaste dosto, I'm here at Banjara market in Gurugram. This place is an absolute gold mine. This is a market where you can find a lot of kind of vintage and antique furniture and anything to do with your home actually. You know, I'm a dude, I don't really care too much about interiors or fashion or anything, but if you come here, you'll definitely find something you want to take home. Beautiful furniture and all here. Really, really an incredible market. So rather than me talking about it, why don't I show you what's available here? Manu, namaste bolo.
Namaste.
What do you have to say about Banjara market? We've been here before, right?
I have.
It's one of her favorite markets in all of Delhi, I think. I mean, it's not Delhi, it's Gurugram, sorry. It's in Haryana. So my sali is here. Ask aapko kya chahiye?
A mirror, full size mirror.
Full size mirror. Man, the options are freaking endless here, honestly. You've got a lot of craftsmen here as well. And they're actually like in these back rooms, or these back shacks. And a lot of these people are from Rajasthan. I hear a lot of Rajasthani being spoke here. So ji, aap kahan se hai?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. मेरी पत्नी राजस्थान से हैं.
चित्तौड़गढ़.
अच्छा, अच्छा, चित्तौड़गढ़. आप ये बनाते हैं? ये चीज बनाते हैं? And just look at this beautiful stuff you can get, no? All this wooden homeware. We shop here for our own home, and the thing about this market is everything is so cheap. You got a bargain, but it's way cheaper than you'll ever get in a store. So I broke my favorite cup. That was sad, hey na? So I've come here to find a new favorite cup because what I realized was I came to this market about 6 months ago, and the same products they're selling in retail stores and malls here. It's like this you'll find in FabIndia. Except in FabIndia, it's 390 rupees. But here you can get it as low as like 50 rupees for a cup, for example. These big companies and malls, some of them are sourcing their products from here. Alright, I found my store. This is the store where they sell the FabIndia cups. I'm not kidding you. You go to FabIndia right now and you'll find this cup, and I'll go in and take a photo for you and show you. All these designs are at FabIndia for 390 rupees. And you'll find them here for, let's find out. I'm looking for my favorite cup. Kya ji? Okay ji. So they won't let me tell you the price, but they have an incredible collection here. I gotta show you what they have. So you've got these beautiful kind of spoons here. You've got all these bowls, all these plates. Like, look at this one. I love this. Look how beautiful this is. Look at the quality on this. The quality is good. And then here's all my favorite cups that I can take. And all the way out there. So I've taken this one. I can't find my exact cup. And I've taken a couple of really cute cups like this. And one I really like. Yeah, voila. I like this design, so I've taken this as well. And one like this also. Basically between 100 to 150 rupees you can take those cups. They retail for about 400 in the store, but I know you can get them even cheaper if you bargain hard. You know, the key is just to walk away. Be interested and then walk away, and they'll keep coming down in price. But a lot of that stuff was from FabIndia itself. I don't know if they made it and supplied it or they're seconds, but some of the product is a little chipped, or there's a little bit of like discoloration. Maybe that's why they're all here along this part of the market, all this FabIndia product which you'll find in the actual stores. Now this store is selling different types of plates and cups. Ye kya hai? This is a nice cup, eh? I like the black. Ji, ye cup kitne ka hai? Ye 50 rupees. Wow. So this cup is only 50 rupees. And if you buy in bulk, you can get an even better deal. But if you want to get a set of cups for your home like I do, these stores are the place, honestly. Beautiful vases. Wow. And the thing is, this is the same quality you're going to get in a store. The quality is really good. And you've got pots for plants.
नमस्ते नमस्ते जाओ
और हम आपका काम क्या करते हैं?
ये फर्नीचर करते हैं
फर्नीचर बनाते हैं, यहाँ बनाते हैं।
नहीं खरीद के लाते हैं बेचते हैं बनता है दूर
अच्छा अच्छा, ये क्या है?
वीड जो वीड
वीड, गांजा।
हाँ गांजा वीड है तो
गांजा है, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. So this is a nice store here and they're selling all types of kind of wood furniture. Now these people who are living here and working here and run these shops, they're called Banjaras. That's where the name Banjara market comes from. And it kind of means nomads. They're artisans, they're craftsmen. And they make and they sell all this incredible furniture. This store's just selling tables, desks, huge mirrors. I've turned the corner, we're in the middle of the market now, and I've lost my wife and Sally completely.
Bye, Rocky.
Bye. Call me Rocky here, those cute kids. Namaste ji, kaise? Everybody's really friendly here. If you, like, as a foreigner, you could definitely come here and shop, buy stuff, send it home. You won't have a problem here. ये बहुत सुंदर टेबल मेज है.
This is a dining table.
डाइनिंग टेबल, हाँ. ये कितने का है?
ये वाला
हाँ. It's very heavy.
800 रुपए का.
800 रुपए. 800 rupees for something like this, but you can bargain, no? Now this shop is selling all types of chairs. You've got wooden chairs. I know, some kind of funky chair that some funky person in South Delhi would use. The variety here is insane what you can get. Wow. And if you want more, they can make you more, right? So I want to show you this guy's store, and just look at these desks you can get here and these tables, this chest of drawers, I guess you would call it. And it might look a bit dusty, but they'll clean it up for you before you take it away. Wow. And the prices range here. You've got to come here and you have to bargain. I'll give you a little example. Something like this, 8,000 rupees, he said, for a handmade coffee table. This one, 7,000. This one costs less. I don't know why. But again, you can get them down. Like, the prices here are just incredible for what you get. And our house is filled with this stuff. And as you can tell, because these are all shacks, this is all kind of an unauthorized colony, you can say. They can get moved on at any time, but they haven't been for a number of years. This is probably government land which they're squatting on. This is definitely in FabIndia, I've seen it. Beautiful little chai cup. Look at these beautiful little chai mugs. Buy a bunch of these. Wow, so beautiful. You got a little bit of a chipping. No, it's not a chip in there actually. No, it's all good. It's all good stuff. Just check it before you buy it, right? Check the bottom, check the top. Make sure it's all okay. Yeah, kitne ke?
60 रुपए.
So what I noticed is they all have some imperfections. This one has, for example, like a crack in it. This one has a chip right there. That's why they're discounted. Yeah, I think some of these are seconds. But if you can find ones that don't have any problems, it's a great deal for 50 rupees. जी आप कहाँ से है दोनों?
हम राजस्थान से, ये मेरा लड़का है.
Oh wow. Don't know if you guys know, but swings are a big thing here in India because of Krishna. Krishna loves to swing on the swing, so a lot of people have kind of swings in their house just as, I don't know, so they can swing on it during this festival called Tej. मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ.
मैं बोलते हैं कि
अच्छा.
बोले मुझे इंग्लिश में बोले बोले.
Oh, she's angry.
आखिरी बताओ फिर.
Oh, she's bargaining with them, that's what. She's angry at these guys. अरे ले लो यार.
पैकेज तो दे दें दोनों का.
She's still bargaining with them. I think they're gonna take it. Ve lenge. She's pretending to be angry. She's smiling now. And at the back is where they live. They got their TV. I can see, I think, a shrine in there and some more product. That's these guys' house, and these people are so sweet who own this store, honestly. And they've got beautiful product here. How's this mirror? This mirror is huge. Look at that. Full wood. And you're going to take these for like between 2,500 and about the 6,000. That's what you can expect to pay, and they get even bigger and more grand. You guys have their goat here as well. उसका नाम क्या है?
इसका नाम
हाँ.
इसका नाम है परी.
परी. अच्छा, नमस्ते परी जी. कैसे? आपका नाम क्या है? अच्छा, आप कहाँ से हैं?
राजस्थान.
और आपका काम करते हैं क्या?
हम सामान देखते हैं.
Wow, बहुत अच्छा. The sun's setting now. It's going to take you like a good 2 to 4 hours to explore this market, and you're going to spend a lot of time just looking and bargaining here actually. But great market with great people, and there's no food or anything here, so you can get an ice cream and that's about it. Let's go see what my wife brought, eh? I found Asta. That's not her. This is Asta. What did you buy?
This mirror.
Acha.
Yeah.
What, this was 2,500 rupees.
Yep.
Acha.
I still think I could have bargained more.
This is what happens